In this video I'm going to talk about using the database administration tool for Eye in the Sky Trade Planning. So you'll go ahead and click your Start button, go to All Programs, go to Eye in the Sky Trade Planning and choose Database Administration. And this tool allows you to diagnose and fix any problems you might be having with your Eye in the Sky Trade Planning database. What you want to do is choose an action from the list, and these shrink the size of the database and also the transaction log. This is to check the integrity of the database to see if there are any errors present, and this is one of the smaller repair steps, the update usage. If you see a message when you run a check database integrity check to run the update usage, then you go ahead and run that update usage and it'll fix it. When you run anything other than, like if you run one of the repairs or update usage, please be sure to go back and rerun check database integrity to see if it did fix the issue. And of course this is the repair database. And then there's another option which allows data loss, and it's for extreme cases where you can't repair the database with a rebuild, because this first one basically rebuilds the database and keeps all the data, whereas the other one gets a little more extreme about how it repairs the database. So only unless you cannot fix it any other way do you want to use that option. You may want to contact us if you are in a situation where you might have to use that. Our email address is support@EyeInTheSkyScreener for that. And feel free to contact us if you encounter any problems you can't fix with any of these other items. But how you run it is you basically choose the item from the menu and then you click this Run button. It'll bring up a box saying that it's running that action. And once it's done on Check Database Integrity, you're going to go ahead and see the results listed in the box below the action menu there. And I'm just going to let this finish running. It should take about 30 seconds. It does on my machine here. And once it's finished, we're just going to take a look at those results and see if there are any errors present there. So just give it another minute here. Alright, the process is finished, so it brings up a complete dialog box which you can hit OK on. And then you can just kind of scroll down through this list of things, and it's just telling you how many rows are in different tables in the system. The most important line in this log is at the bottom. It tells you how many allocation errors you may have or how many consistency errors you might have. If these are not zero, then you do have a problem with your database and you want to move on to, I'd first run this update usage and see if that fixes it. If it doesn't, then go ahead and run repair database. And if that doesn't fix it, like I said earlier, be sure to contact us at support@EyeInTheSkyScreener.com, because it may be something bigger going on with your system. It could be a hard disk that may be failing or starting to fail that's causing corruption. So it'd be nice to go ahead and be able to diagnose that kind of thing and have a presence of mind to know what's going on and what's causing the corruption. So thank you very much for watching this video.